Good morning. I'm really happy to be in my field early in the morning. I came here to see how the pumpkins are growing, my peppers are growing, and my melons are growing. I'm happy to see them healthy and the bees are working. Luckily, they found the right place. Otherwise, I wouldn't have pumpkins. Bees are the great helpers, as you know. So, that was a big surprise for me because I wasn't expecting them, really. I'm hopeful about the harvest. Melons are okay. Melons are really okay. They are really growing well. And but I was just regretful about not just planting melons all the field. Uh, 2 out of 3% of the field was covered with pumpkins, so that was a wrong choice. But I can't say anything about that because uh, these are trials and tribulations, just trials. Yeah, I tried to grow pumpkin this summer, and next summer I'm planning something else. Maybe whole field will be covered with melons because melons do not need water a lot. Rain is enough, and the sandy one, my field is so fertile, and I don't need fertilizer. I've got some tomato plants and beans, peppers, tomato, right, and eggplants. I like eggplant a lot. Eggplant with minced meat. I'm gonna do that today. It's organic, so I'm really satisfied with what I'm doing because a lot of hard work brings me organic food. And as you see, other fields are covered with corns. It's quite area, but a house or bungalow is not permitted to build here. I would do breakfast here. I would have breakfast here, but change my mind. I'm gonna go home and have breakfast there because I didn't bring a lot of things with me in my bag. So in Turkey, melons, especially the ones who are grown in the west of Turkey, called kırkaç, is so delicious. If you don't use water, it becomes more and more delicious, as you know, more sweet. Bees, thank you so much, bees. Maybe I'm gonna just plant blueberry. I like it, and maybe plum. Yeah, pomegranate, pear. I like them all. I believe most of you like them all these fruits, but I strongly advise you to come to Balıkesir, İzmir to taste my melons. I will be happy to share with you. Uh, I've been working for 2 hours. There were many white flowers. Sorry, white flowers, and I pulled them off. Tens of them. They're quite harmful for pumpkins, and I'm exhausted and just shattered. I want to kick back, but the sun is good. The weather is so good. But it rained for 3 hours yesterday. That's why it's cool. My plants are so happy for they reached water, and sun is shining so nice. So I want to stay more, like half an hour more here, and go back home. Let me show you my melon. Look at that. I had to pull it off. Another one. And here, another one. American people like melon. European people like melon, but they don't have a lot, I suppose. Can an American right? Is there an American who like melon? In Europe, if you like, I will send my melons to you. 100% organic ones. And pumpkins. These are pumpkins, as you see. And I will show you some baby pumpkins. Thanks to God and bees, I've got some baby pumpkins. I spread 1,500 seeds. And here it is. That's gonna be a big pumpkin. Oh, that's so delicious. I assure you. In Turkey, we make a lot of pies, lovely, delicious pies with it. I believe you do too. That is male one, male flower, and that is female one. If bees weren't working here, I had no chance to come up with any pumpkins. So I'm so thankful. I don't know how to thank them. I don't know how to thank my bees. I think one of them, they're so clever. One of them came from other parts, 5 kilometers away. And they found my field. And they called their friends. Nature is magical thing. It's a circle, magical circle, right? I do something for them, they help me, I help them. White flowers. I'm not talking because I'm working now, as you see. So many. I hate them, but I can't do anything else apart from pulling them off. A lot. I can't go over. I can't come them all. I can't beat all these. I can't collect all these white flowers. There are tens of them, hundreds of them among my pumpkins. Oh, I'm shattered. I'm totally worn out. I made a lot of effort, put effort into my field, but I was a bit hopeless before seeing the bees. Now I'm a bit hopeful about harvest. Look at that. Oh my God, thank you. Pumpkin, baby pumpkin. Woohoo! Bee. Yes, here it is. There's thorn. I hate them. Thorns. I don't like thorns. Yeah. I would love you to try my melons. White flowers, look at that. Another one. Another one. Baby pumpkin. Thank you. I'm continuing to pull them off. What do you like doing with pumpkin? And what do you use melon with? With your whiskey, with your wine, or another drink? And after meals, before meals, how do you consume melon? And I would like to learn your lifestyle and how you consume all these vegetables and fruits. My beans, I just planted a few beans, eggplant, peppers, and cucumber. Just 3 cucumber plants. Tomatoes. And beans. Yes. I like eggplant, as I told you. I suppose you like it too. Yes, there's one I think here. Like, oh yes, here. Look. Yeah. Oh. I think you like my video, my field, my life. Thanks a lot for sharing time with me and befriending. I'm just saying farewell with my melon to you from the rest of Turkey. Have a nice day. See you again. Take care. Bye bye.